Hi guys, it's the middle of the night. Just wanted to get this video done. So for some reason, you can't comment on my videos. That's weird. Why can't you do that? Because I don't want to know what my friends think on my videos without needing to call them. So yeah. And I also customized clothing for some reason. I don't know. But I don't know how late. Let me check the time actually. It is. Oh wait, let me check. It is 23.26. Got it. Yeah. I don't know what should I do for the next couple of minutes. If the comments randomly start to work, comment what video idea should I do next. Maybe I can do a reaction video, because those are good. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna post this. Bye. Good night.